WhatsApp is an extremely popular cross-platform messaging service which is available for free. Officially, WhatsApp only allows one account to be active at a time through the main official application. Keeping two separate accounts for WhatsApp, one for personal use and B for business, is something that a lot of users are looking for. Here are some methods to use dual WhatsApp accounts on your Android device.
First, let's start with name and location every manufacturer uses for this feature. We are showing on Samsung Dual Messenger on Samsung phone. So we are going to first we are going to the settings. And advanced features. See advanced features. Then dual messenger. See here dual messenger. Now see, I have already installed dual messenger. So this is asking, so I will uninstall this one. Now see, there is a WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram will supported by this phone. So whichever application you want to install, second application you want to install, Telegram or Facebook or WhatsApp, you can turn it on. See, install a second copy of WhatsApp. Say install. Okay, now we are, see WhatsApp. See, now this is the second copy of WhatsApp. Agree and continue and enter your phone number, which second phone number, 9. Waiting for automatically detect an SMS. Continue. Allow. And type your name. Next. See, setup is going on. Please wait few moments for setup will complete. And meanwhile, I will tell you, in Xiaomi mobile phones, it's called dual apps. Go to the settings and you will get it, dual apps. Oppo, it's called clone apps. Vivo app, also clone. Asus will be settings and twin apps. So it is very easy to install second app, second WhatsApp or Telegram in latest mobiles. here it is. Friends, it is installed. See friends, I hope you are learned something how to install second application in same mobile phone for second number. So it is helpful for you, then please like, share and comment